This is how you save over $200 with the new smoking alarm checks laws in Victoria. Might need 2 hands for this job. Pretty hard, this job. This one's already got a battery in there, but just change them anyway. Be the good landlord that all the tenants want. Put the new ones in there. New battery. New batteries in the smoke alarm. Push it up. Press the button to test. Yeah, that one's working. On to the second smoke detector. This one's already open. Whoop. It's a dangerous job, this one, especially while you're filming with one hand. Whoop. There we go. Should be right to go. See that? If you saw that red light flashing, it's got power. Let's test that one. Yep, all good. Smoke detectors tested, working, saved over $200.